Hi everyone, welcome back to USA Online Shopping USA, your favorite channel for discovering the latest trending Amazon fashion items. In today's videos, I am going to show you 10 premium and highly rated shoes for women and men, including orthopedic walking shoes, running shoes, cross trainers, and everyday sneakers. All shoes in this video are selected based on Amazon rating, comfort, material quality, and popularity in the USA. You will find the purchase links in the description below. Let's get started. First of all, G Defy XLR8 Run Women's Supportive Running Shoe. This shoe is built for women who need long-lasting comfort during running, walking, or prolonged standing. It features a synthetic sole, a wool outer material, a polymer inner lining, and a secure lace-up closure. One of the standout features is the hardened TPU full perimeter shank, engineered to protect your midfoot from trauma and hyperflexion injuries. It also provides maximum lateral support, making it great for people with pain related to standing or walking. This shoe also includes a free custom orthotic perfect for extra arch and foot support. Number 2, G Defy Mighty Walk Women's Orthopedic Walk Shoes. This is one of the most popular orthopedic shoes for women on Amazon. Product highlights include synthetic sole, durable breathable mesh outer, soft nylon mesh interior, lace-up design. The biggest advantage in the VersaShock patented technology, which helps reduce pain in the ankles, knees, feet, and lower back. Other benefits include a seamless interior for sensitive or diabetic feet, removable insoles for custom orthotics, a front rocker sole to help relieve plantar fasciitis, extra roomy toe box for bunions or extra space, a great option for women who walk a lot or stand all day. Number 3, G Defy Mighty Walk Limited Edition Women's Shoes. These shoes are known for their roomy toe box, giving your feet natural space and improving circulation. Key features: ethylene vinyl acetate sole, fabric and synthetic outer, lace-up closure, breathable mesh construction. They include a front rocker sole, removable insoles, durable ventilation, and free corrective fit orthotic for proper body alignment, perfect for daily walking comfort and pain relief. Number 4, G Defy Ion Women's Orthopedic Walking Shoe. This is another excellent choice for women dealing with foot pain, arch pain, or prolonged standing. Features include breathable mesh for ventilation, a roomy toe box for comfort, a front rolling forefoot designed for smooth movement, removable insoles for custom orthotics. Penetrates great corrective fit insoles included. This shoes is designed to promote stability, alignment, and long-term comfort. Number 5, G Defy Mayhoff Women's Cross Trainer Shoe. This is a stylish and highly functional cross training shoe with incredible Comfort. It includes a durable rubber sole, mesh outer material, lace closure, front pull tab for easy wearing. The biggest feature is the high burst shock technology, combining shock absorption with versatile load cushioning for maximum comfort and reduced impact. Other highlights: breathable mesh exterior, soft and like seamless interior for irritation-free wear, free corrective fit, orthotics included for posture and alignment. Number 6. On women's Cloud 5 sneakers. These are lightweight, everyday sneakers designed for all-day comfort. Key features: 100% synthetic material, performance mesh fabric, rubber sole, reflective essence for safety, lightweight, designed for long wear, cushioned color and perforated tongue, removable insole, patented Cloud Tech sole for supportive cushioning. A great everyday sneaker for both lifestyle and light sports. Number 7. On running, men's Cloud Flow 4. This is a great option for men looking for performance running shoes. Key features: rubber sole, breathable mesh upper, TPU heel counter for a secure fit, Cloud foam midsole for responsive cushioning, traction pattern outsole for grip, lightweight and durable design, perfect for running, training and daily wear. Number 8. On women's Cloud 6. These shoes combine sustainability with high performance. Feature includes improved breathable mesh upper, strong abrasion resistance for durability, a midsole that's 50% bio-attributed, reducing CO2 emissions, updated outsole with connected rubber pods for better traction, a specially engineered speed board for stability and smooth movement, perfect for active women who want style, comfort and performance. And now number 9. On men's, the Roger Advantage shoes. These shoes are stylish, modern and packed with top-tier tech. Features include synthetic and rubber construction, durable rubber sole, polyester outer material, nylon blend speedboard for momentum, Cloud Tech cushioning, dual density Halion Superfoam for foot foam insert for shock absorption, designed for trends, inspired comfort and everyday wear. And now in the last, number 10. On men's Cloud X3 sneakers. These are ultra lightweight shoes designed for training and performance. Features include performance mesh, rubber sole, perforated panels for ventilations, reflective accents, cushioned color and soft insole, Halion Superfoam Cloud Tech sole, round toe design, perfect for workouts, gym training or active lifestyle. Thanks for watching. These the 10 most trending and highly recommended shoes on Amazon right now. If you want to check any of these products, the Amazon links are in the description for easy shopping. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to USA Online Shopping USA for more Amazon fashion videos. See you in the next video.